Are you currently wondering how you can make money online? Something that is really easy, doesn't take a long time to do, and some of it is even automated by using some free apps? Well, put that laptop down for a second and listen up. You can use your laptop, you can use your desktop, you might even be able to use a cell phone. And the cool thing about it is that I know there's a lot of things going on with Bitcoin and things look really up and up, but sometimes it could be confusing for people. And most of all, you want something that is free and easy to use. With the whole idea of going on that wonderful vacation you've always dreamed of, wouldn't it be great that you can have enough money to go wherever you want, however you want, spend as much money as you want, and have that freedom? Just take a few seconds here and think about your goals in life. What do you need to do to accomplish going on these European vacations? Or maybe even going to that wonderful place that you've always wanted to go, and that is called the beach. How about a nice beach vacation on an island in Saint somewhere? Would you agree if you said yes to all of those questions I asked? Then strap in and learn how you can make money online now.
But before we begin, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can get notified when I put up a new video. And would you also please click that like button down below? I would appreciate it. So now let's jump into the video.
Welcome to this tutorial. Do you know what the hottest new craze in internet advertising is? It's called pixel ads. I generate traffic to my website through traditional channels such as writing articles, social media groups, submitting to directories, link exchanges, search engines, etc. I also have supplemented this traffic through paid advertising methods such as pay-per-clicks, PPC, paid inclusion, and banner rotations, to name a few. I remember a few years ago when I could target a high-traffic keyword through the pay-per-click search engines for 0.01 cents click. Wow! Those were the days. Now, you're lucky to get that same keyword for less than $1 a click. Recently, I stumbled across another advertising method that is affordable, and sometimes free, that is highly effective. In fact, I'm seeing these sites' Alexa rankings shooting from 800,000 to the 1,000s in less than a month's time. The upward trends on the Alexa charts are without a doubt astonishing. This new type of advertising is called pixel advertising. Go to any of these pixel websites and you will see a multitude of small boxes. Each box is usually equal to a 10 by 10 pixel in size. The costs of renting these boxes are ranging from $5 a box to $25 a box, and some of them are actually free. Simply select the quantity of boxes you want and upload your image. The best part of this is that your image will stay on the site for up to 10 years. The demand for this type of advertising exposure is in high demand, and these sites are popping up all over the internet. My suggestion is to find one of these sites that are just getting started and offering the free or low-cost pixel boxes. Get your image on these sites then. Sit back and wait approximately a month for the traffic to get going good. As the traffic surges, the free spots will not be available any longer and the cost of the pixel boxes will rise. Pixel ads are currently the cheapest and most effective advertising method on the internet today. Pixel advertising. Yeah. It's those same ads that follow you on the internet, and here is why. The person that initially saw your ad needs to be exposed to this product that you are promoting on average at least 7 times before they make a buying decision. This is why those ads seem to follow you when you go to other websites. This increases their chances of buying the item. So I hope you learned something new today. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment and share this with everyone you know, and lastly, please subscribe to my channel for more great content. See you in the next video, and as always, go make money now.